Eloise from the Plaza grew up to marry the owner of a country club. I'm on my way to a screening in TriBeCa. It's of an Irish film called... The director was kind enough to reach out to me on Instagram and give me a ticket, and I'm super excited. This is what I'm wearing. My top is from Cider. My skirt is H&M, and I swore I'd never wear it again, but sometimes, you know, it calls to you. This is the only footwear I'm capable of in 2023, just so we're absolutely clear. We gotta give Eloise some va-va-voom, you know. Is this gonna be too much? I'm gonna go for it. I think my trusty triple hoops will make the outfit that much more mature. I'm bringing a sweater as well because it's only 81 today, so.
People often ask me, when did you start making the film?
I've just seen North Circular, a film screening at the Firehouse Cinema on Magdalen Street in TriBeCa, and I cannot recommend it enough. It was such a moving portrait of Dublin's north inner city and the music scene there and the history and culture of the place, and yeah, it was just beautiful. I also got recognized for the first time. I mean, if it's gonna happen, it's gonna be there. But Caroline, thank you so much. That was so sweet. Probably very cringy that I'm mentioning it. Very uncool, but that was very cool for me.